Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you all my toys. First one is, this is my teddy bear. And it's so cute and fluffy. The next one is this cute teddy bear. Wait, I'm gonna put it right here. And this is the teddy bear. And I like it. Next is the white one. Ta-da! The rose is brown. And I'm gonna put it right here now. And the next one is the husky dog. My ninong gave me on my first birthday. I like it. And this is from Tita Bikay. This is a mommy shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do do do. Mommy shark. This too is so cute, but I can't remember who gave me this. But it's already so cute. This pink teddy bear is from Ninong Richard. This is so cute. Sit there, okay? And this one is from Ninang Naknak. This one has bangs. I have bangs too. This is an old clock. Papa gave it to me when I was a baby. And I'm gonna put it right here. And of course, a Jollibee. He's talking. Said, I love you, Sabado. And this is my little cute teddies. The other one is brown. These are my two cute Peppa Pigs. Ninang gave me when I was 4 years old. Thank you, Ninang Joanne. And this is Pooh. I love you, said here in a gray teddy bear. And I have 4 baby alarms. Ate Dana gave me this. There's a flower in her hair. This is named Jake, and this is Jasmine, and this is Chelsea, and this is Alexia. That's my baby alive now. My Frozen collection. This is Elsa. This is Anna. And of course, Olaf. Look. This is from Tito Steve. And this is from Ate Zoe. And this is from Ate Dana. And next, this is from Mamila. 3 of them. They are so cute, right? This one is pink. This one is blue. And this one is pink. And here. And the next one is this one. It's so funny, right? And this one too. It looks like a real baby. And this one, look. It says Car Fox. And of course this. The next one is Pillow Collection. And this one is a Hello Kitty pillow. Nakikita na. Funny, right? And the next one is fun. It's like funny too. Nakikita na. This huggable pillow. I love it so much. Next, we bought this pillow for Papa Mon. It says, I've got the best dad. It's so cute, right? The last one is a heart-shaped pillow. Now guys, that's all. Guys, I can show you all of my toys. Barbie collections and LOL